Haiti, a country rich in history and culture, is going through its darkest days. With the absence of opportunities and unprecedented insecurity, our beloved country has become almost uninhabitable. The private sector, controlled by a group of profit-seeking oligarchs, dominates every aspect of our economy, showing no interest in reinvesting for the nation's benefit. Amidst despair, a beacon of hope emerges, calling us to action, a movement that transcends borders and unites the Haitian diaspora. This is Ayisyen Otantik, a private social platform, exclusive and accessible by invitation only, igniting passions and catalyzing change. Ayisyen Otantik is more than just a platform, it is a revolution, a resounding collective roar that refuses to be silenced. Together, we rise in strength and unity, rejecting the status quo, and shaping Haiti's destiny. We extend a personal invitation to you to join this extraordinary movement. Together, we will chart the path to prosperity, where opportunities abound and the brilliance of our people shines through. Ayisyen Otantik is our declaration of independence, a declaration that we will no longer stand idly by as our nation suffers. With unwavering determination, we stand to restore Haiti's dignity and reclaim our rightful place among the great nations of the world. The time has come to take Haiti's destiny into our own hands. Join us on this bold adventure to create a new economic path, where the nation's interests prevail and every Haitian has the opportunity to thrive. Ayisyen Otantik is much more than just a private social network. It is a brotherhood, a movement of souls united by love for our homeland, driven by the burning desire to create lasting change. Haiti needs you. Your voice, your expertise, and your commitment are essential in shaping our common future. Together, we will build a prosperous Haiti, where opportunity reigns and the pride of our heritage illuminates every corner of our beloved land. Join Ayisyen Otantik today. Together, we will usher in a new era of hope, prosperity, and dignity for the Haitian people. For more information or if you have additional questions, please contact the person who sent you the video. United in our vision, we will forge a better future for Haiti. Ayisyen Otantik, our strength, our revolution, our pride.